Hey, it's me. So today I'm fixing an early 80s CB radio which a customer has brought in and asked me to repair for them. The receiver is really poor. My weapons of choice for fixing it are a Hewlett-Packard Spectrum Analyzer and a Hewlett-Packard signal generator. That's channel 1 FM, by the way. And an old Yaesu receiver so I can listen to myself. Oh, and a power meter. And also I noticed that the as well as the receive being poor, that there's a control there that the little swipe is missing. So I don't know what I let myself in for really, but hey ho.